Hi guys, my name is Charlotte and I'm a binary option trader and expert. On my channel you will find many profitable strategies for different levels of traders. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Today I'm going to show you one interesting strategy, PSAR Alligator Strategy. I will use two indicators, Parabolic SAR and Alligator. So don't forget to join my free group in Telegram, just copy signals and start earning your first money. The link will be in the description. So let's get started. Well, let's start by adding these two indicators to our chart. I have already added and configured them. Next, we need to add all trading pairs to our chart. Today I will test how this strategy works on regular pairs, so we do not add OTC pairs. You may also notice that the payouts for some pairs is less than 70%, so as not to risk my deposit, I will not open deals on these pairs. Since it will not be profitable for me, my risks will be higher than my profits if I open deals with this payment less than 70%. But I leave such pairs in the top line because the payout percent changes very often. Then we need to set the deal time to 2 minutes and the deal amount we set from 1 to 10% of our deposit. I set $150 and after each successful deal, I will increase the amount of the next deal by $50 to accelerate my deposit. I will also work according to the martingale system, which means after each negative deal, I will double the amount of the next deal in order to recap the negative deal as well as earn money. Well, let's move on to the trading strategy and what point we need to open positions for a decrease and an increase. So we see that the price is moving in an upward direction, after which it turns around and moves in a downward direction, crosses the three lines of the alligator indicator, and at the moment of crossing the last line from top to bottom, if the Parabolic SAR indicator is at the top and its point, this means that we are at the moment of crossing the last alligator line point. We open a downward trade for 2 minutes. And vice versa, if the price moves in an upward direction, crosses all three alligator lines from bottom to top, and at the moment of crossing the last line of the alligator indicator, we look at the Parabolic SAR indicator. If the dot is located below, which means the trend is upward and we can open a bullish position for 2 minutes. Well, the strategy is quite simple. Now let's check how it works. Well, I start a trading session and look for suitable opportunity to enter a position. Let's go. So here I see a good opportunity to open a bullish position. We see that the price moved for a long time in a downtrend and then turned around, crossed all the three lines of the alligator indicator from bottom to top, and at the moment of crossing the Parabolic SAR indicator and specifically its points were below. This indicates that an upward trend has begun and we are trading along with this trend. Great, our first deal turned out to be profitable. I will set the amount of the next deal to $200 and let's see what's next. So I almost immediately found a good opportunity to open a bearish position. We see that the price moved for a long time in an uptrend, turned around, crossed all three lines of the alligator indicator, and at the moment of crossing the last line of the alligator indicator, we see that the Parabolic SAR points were on top. This is a signal to sell, so here I opened this position to sell. We are waiting for its completion. Unfortunately, our second deal turned out to be negative, but it's okay. As I said, we will work with the martingale system and we will increase the amount of the next deal by 2 times. Let's see what's next. So Here I see a good opportunity to open a bearish position. Here we see that the price has crossed all three lines of alligator indicator, and the parabolic SAR points have crossed the price from bottom to top, and they are now on top, which indicates the beginning of a downward trend, which confirms the opening of my position, and we are waiting for its completion. Great, our third deal turned out to be profitable. Thanks to it, we recapped our second minus trade and also earned $140 on top, a very good result. The first deal was $150, the second $200, the third should have been $250, and the fourth $300. We put up $300 and let's see what's next. So I decided to open a position here. We see that the price was moving from top to bottom, crossed three lines of alligator indicator, and the parabolic SAR points are on top, which indicates the beginning of a downward trend. In fact, I trade on this downward trend, and we are waiting for the completion of this deal. So our fourth deal went to zero, we didn't earn anything and we didn't lose anything. So let's just see what's next. So here I opened the deal to decrease. We see that the price traded in the uptrend. After that it returned and crossed all the three lines of alligator, and the points of parabolic SAR are up, which tells us about the downtrend. So let's wait the completion of this deal. So our fifth deal also didn't bring us any profit and any minus. It was also null. That's why we will not change anything, and let's see what's next. Here I saw a good opportunity to open a deal to increase. We see that the price has moved in a downward direction, has returned and crossed all the three lines of alligator, and the parabolic SAR points are below the price, which tells us about the uptrend. We wait the completion of this deal. Great, our deal number 6 turned out to be profitable. The price of the deal number 7 will be $350. Well, I directly found a good opportunity to enter a position for an increase. We see that the price has traded for a long time in a downward direction. After that, crossed all alligator lines and started an upward movement, and the parabolic SAR points also are below, and we wait the end of this deal. Excellent, our deal number 7 also turned out to be profitable, so I finished with today's trading session, and I will summarize the results of today. 4 profitable deals, 1 negative, and 2 deals went to 0. Didn't bring neither a profit or a loss. A win rate of 80%, very good result. Guys, today my income using this strategy is $767. So right now write the word strategy in the comments and get this strategy as a gift from me absolutely free. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in next video. Bye bye.